Good morning, dear children. Are you all ready for today's class? So let us start our today's class. Get ready with your maths book. Open page number 64. As we are on chapter 8, and in chapter 8 today we are going to cover the topic prime numbers. Okay, so prime numbers, students, pay attention. Page number 64. Let us see what is prime number. Okay, prime number, a number that is divisible only by itself and 1 is called a prime number. That means a number which is divisible only by itself and 1 is called a prime number. As you can see here, 2 divide 1, 2 divide 2, 1. These are the numbers 2, 5 and 11. These are the numbers that is divisible only by itself and 1. As you can see, more examples are there. 3, 7, 13, 17, 19. These are the numbers which are divisible only by itself and 1. And such numbers are called prime numbers. Okay. 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. As you can see here, 0 and 1 are not prime numbers because 0 cannot be divided by itself. We cannot divide by 0, so it is not a prime number, and 1 has only one factor, 1 itself, so it is also not a prime number. Okay. Now except 2, even numbers are not prime numbers. Okay, except 2 means only 2 is the prime number and 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, see, I have underlined this all students, you have to keep it in mind because these are the important points. Except 2, even numbers are not prime numbers. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. Now here comes the composite numbers. A number that is divisible by a number other than itself and 1 is called a composite number. Now here, just opposite of prime number. Prime number are the numbers that is divisible only by itself and 1. And composite is the number that is divisible by a number other than itself and 1 is called a composite number. As you can see here, 4 is divisible by 4, by 1, 4 and 2. 1 into 4, or 1 divide 4, 2 into 2, 4 and 4 into 1, 4. 15 is divisible by 1, 15, 3 and 5. 9 is divisible by 1, 9 and 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 9s are 9, 9 1s are 9. Okay, 24 is divisible by 1, 24, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. So students, it is simple. Number that is divisible by a number other than itself and 1 is called a composite number. Okay, now here, 0 and 1 are not composite number. This 0 and 1 are neither prime number nor composite number. Okay. See, here also I have underlined. This all you have to keep it in. Except 2. As you can see, except 2, even numbers are not prime numbers. 2 is the only even prime number and 0 and 1 are neither prime number nor composite number. Okay. Now, numbers that are not prime numbers are composite numbers. Now listen here, numbers that are not prime numbers are composite numbers except 1 and 0. So all numbers except 1 and 0 are either prime or composite. So this you have to keep it in mind. All numbers except 1 and 0, other numbers are either prime or composite numbers, and prime numbers are divisible by number itself and 1, and composite numbers are divisible by a number. Okay. Now here comes the prime factorization. Writing a number as a product of its factor is called factorization. Prime factorization is writing a number as a product of factors that are prime numbers. As you can see in the example, it is given 18. 18, you can see 9 2s are 18. 9 is not a prime number because 9 is divisible by 1, 9 and 3. So it's a composite number. So 18. So we will break this 9 first. 3 into 3 into 2. This is the prime factorization of 18, as 3 and 2 are prime numbers. Okay. because 3 and 2 are divisible by itself and by 1. Repeatedly break down factors into smaller factors till all the factors are prime. Repeatedly divide the number by prime numbers till the quotient is 1. As you can see, some examples are also given there. Let us see 300. Now 300, 3 into 100 is 300. Now we will break this 100. 3 is here, 3 into 2 into 50, 100. 3, now we will break this 50. 3 into 2, break this 50. 2 into 25. Now 3 into 2 into 2 and break this 25, 5 into 5. So here is the prime factorization of 300. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. Prime factors. Now here comes the prime factorization of 56. This is prime factors. Now here comes the prime factorization. So 256. 56 is divided how many times? 20 times. 28 times. Now 28 divided how many times? 14 times. 14 how many times? 7 times. Then 7 ones are 7. Okay. Repeatedly now you have to divide here till we get the quotient 1. Okay. This you have to keep it in mind. Repeatedly divide the number by prime numbers. Only by the prime numbers till the quotient is 1. Okay. This will be, students, more clear to you when we will do the upcoming exercise. Okay. This is factor tree. Okay. Factor tree, the breaking down of a number into its factors. Okay. It's a breaking down of a number into its factor. As you can see here, it's given of 84. 84, 2 divide 84, 42. 2 divide 42, 21. Then 21 divide 3, 7. Okay. In this way. This I will explain you more. As you can see here also examples are given there. Tree 1, tree 2, tree 3. Means in this 3 form you can make the factor tree. Okay. Here you can see 48 divide 2, 24. 24 divide 2, 12. 12 divide 2, 6. 6 divide 2, 3. Okay. Now here comes your exercise 8D. Okay. So let us start 8D. Now in first question it is given there, pick the prime numbers. Now prime numbers we have studied that prime numbers that is divisible by only by itself and 1. So 2, 13 are the numbers divisible by itself and 1. 12 as 1, 12, 2 6 are 12, 6 2 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 3 4 are 12. This is the composite number. Here 7 and 17. 7 and 17 are the numbers that are divisible by itself and by 1. Okay, has 27, 9 3 are 27, 127. Okay. Here 5 and 11. Now here you have to pick the composite numbers. Now composite numbers that is divisible by a number other than itself and 1. 6, 15, 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay. 3 6 1s are 6, 1 into 6, 6, 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15. Okay. And here 33, 11 into 3, 33, 33 into 1, 33, 35, 7 5s are 35. Okay, so these are the composite numbers. Now here, question number 3, write all the prime numbers below 30 and how many are there. So now here we have to find out the prime numbers. That means they are divisible by only by itself and 1. So here comes 3, question number A. So let us find out. It's given there, students. You can take from here also. This 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. We have to find till 30. Okay, 19. Here you can say 20, 23 and 29. They are the prime numbers. Okay. Now write all the prime numbers between 40 and 60. So prime numbers between 40 and 60 means we have to pick the numbers that are divisible only by itself and by 1. Okay, so that are, let's see, from 40 and 60, between 40 and 60. 41, 43, 44, then 53, and then 59. So these are the numbers. These are the prime numbers between 40 and 60. Okay, here comes question number 6. Write two prime numbers whose difference is 1. That is 2 and 3. If you will subtract 2 from 3, you will get answer 1. So this is the, and these both are prime number also. Okay, you can see 2 and 3. Is there a prime number which is even? If so, which number is it? This we have studied, student, here. Except 2 even numbers are not prime numbers, and 2 is the only even prime number. That means your answer here in D is 2. Okay, yes, 2 is the only even prime number. Now here comes question number 4. Write all the composite numbers below 20. How many are they? So here comes your composite number. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 21. We have to write below 20. So till 18 we will take. Till 15 we can take. So these are all composite numbers. Okay. Write all the composite numbers between 15 and 25. Now here we have to write down between 15 and 25. Okay, so between composite number, that means they are divisible by a number other than itself and 1. So 15, after 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22 and 24. We have to write between 15 and 25. Okay. 16, 8 2s are 16, 18, 2 9s are 9, 18, 9 2s are 18, 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 21, 7 3s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 11 into 2, 22, 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 24. So they are the composite numbers. Write to the two smallest composite numbers whose difference is 4. That is 4 and 8. They both are composite numbers. When you will subtract this, you will get answer 4. Okay, now here comes the true and false. Every even number is a composite number. False. Because every even number are not prime numbers, neither composite numbers. See here, composite. Okay. The difference of two prime numbers must be even. No, false. A number which is not a prime number must be a composite number. False. The sum of two composite numbers may be a prime number. True. Okay. Now write the prime factors by breaking down into smaller factors. Okay. Now here we have to break this into smaller factors in this way. In this way we have to break it in smaller factors. Okay. So let us see this one. Question number 6A. Let's do the 41. Now 40. Now this we have to repeatedly break down factors into smaller factors till the factors are prime. Okay, we have to break down till the factors are prime. Now 40. So 40, 4 into 10, 40. Okay. Now let's break down this 4 and this 10. So 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 5, 10. Okay, now this is your prime factor. So here is the answer. Okay, now let's do one more. B, 63. 63. 9 7s are 63. Now break down this 9. 3 3s are 9 into 7. So here is the answer. Okay, now here. Okay, prime numbers. They are the prime numbers. These are the prime numbers. Means we have to break down till the factors are prime. Okay, so here it's prime factor came. Now let's do one more. Let's do C. 90. Let's do 96. Okay, 96. So now 96. 2 into 48. Okay, 2 into 48, or how you will find this 48? Just divide 96 by 2. 2 4s are 8 minus 8 from 9, 1. Take this 6 here. 2 8s are 16 minus 0 0. That means this number is divisible by 2. So 2 into 48. Now break this 48. 2 into 8 into 6. Okay. Now break this 8. 2 into 2 into 4. Now break this 6. 2 into 3. Okay. Now also we can break this 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So now all are the prime numbers. So here we will stop this breaking down. Okay, in this way you have to do the remaining ones. Now here comes question number 7. Write the prime factorization of the following numbers by repeated division. Okay, now here we will do the repeated division. So let's do of 24. Now in this way we will do. Okay. Now you have to divide this 24 by 2. Okay. So let's take 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Now 12 in 2's table, that is 6 times. Now 6 in 2's table, that is 3 times. Now 3 ones are 3. So here we will stop because here we got the answer 1, and you have to divide the number by prime numbers till the quotient is 1. Okay, so here we got the answer 1. That means we will stop here only. And so 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do B, that is 69. Okay, 69. This we have to divide only with the prime number. Now 9, so we will, let's take 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now 23, so 23, 1. Okay, so 69 equal to 3 into 23. So this is the prime factorization. Let's do one more. Let's do 120. Okay, 120 by 2. Okay, now divide. 2 6 are 12. For this 0, put 1 0. Now 60 in 2's table, that is 30. Now 30 in 2's table, that is 15. Now 15 in, we have no 15 in 2's table, so let's take other prime number, that is 3. So 15 in 3's table, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 and 1. As we got the quotient as 1, so we will stop our repeated division here only, and 120 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Now here comes your question number 8. Find the prime factorization by drawing factor trees. Okay, so let us do factor tree. This is 30. Okay, now 30. Now we will take the prime number. The first prime number is 2. So let us see 2 in 50. Let us see 30 in 2's table. That is 15 times. So here 15 and this will be 2. Okay. Now 15, there is no 15 in 2's table. So let us take the next prime number, that is 3. So here 3 and 3 5s are 50. So this is the factor tree. Okay. 15 2s are 30. 5 3s are 15. Let's do one more. Let's do 36. Okay. So here comes 36. Okay. So let us take the first prime number, that is 2. So 36 in 2's table, that is 18. Okay, or you can see by the division process also, if you will divide 36 by 2, 2 1s are 2, minus, take this 1 here, put this 6 here, 2 8s are 16, minus 0 0. So you got 18. So 18 here, and that is of 2. Okay. Now 18 in 2's table, that is 9 and 2. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Now there is no 9 in 2's table, so we will take the next prime number, and that is 3. Now 9 in 3's table, that is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Okay, so in this way you have to make the factor tree. Let us do one more. 72. Let's do 72. Okay, so this is 72. Now 72 in 2's table, let's find down 72, 2. 2, 2 3s are 6 minus, take the 1, take this 2 here. Now 12 in 2's table, that is 6 times. 2 6 are 12 minus 0, 0. That means 36 times. Okay, so 36 will be here and this will be 2. Now 2 into 36, 72. Now 36 in 2's table. 2 ones are, this we have done here. How many times it went? It went 18 times. Okay, so here 18 and this will be 2. Okay, now 18 in 9's table, that is, sorry, 18 in 2's table, that is 9 and this will be 2. Okay, now 9 in 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So in this way you have to make the prime factorization by factor tree. Okay, now here comes question number 9. Okay, let's do the first one, 81. Okay, now here 81. Now 81, as it is 1 here, so let's take first 3. Okay, so 81 in 3's table, let's do here 81 and 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 6 from 8, that is 2. Take this one here. 21 in 3's table, that is 3 7s are 21 minus 0, 0. That means 27. So here it will be 27 and this will be 3. Okay, now 27 in 3's table, that is 9 3s are 27. So 9 here and this will be 3. Now 9 in 3's table, that is 3 times. So 3 here and 3 here. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Okay, let's do this one 378. Okay, 378. Now 378, as in ones place 8, that's an even number. So let's do the division by 2. Okay, so 378. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 from 3, 1. Take this 7 here. 2 8s are 16. Take this 1 here. Take 8 here. 2 9s are 18. 0 0. That means this will be here 189 and here this 2. So 2 into 189 equal to 378. Now here we got 9. So we will take the next prime number, that is 3. Okay, as 9 is an odd number. Okay, so when the number in one's place is odd number, so take 3, and when it is even number, so start with 2. As 8 here was 2, so here 8 was an even number, so we started with 2. Now here 9 is there, so let's start with 3. Now 189 in 3. 3 6 are 18 minus 0. Take this 9 here. 3 3s are 9 minus 0. That means 63. So this will be 63 and here this will be 3. Okay, now 3 in 63. 3 in 63, 2s are 6 minus 0. Take this 3 here. 3 1s are 3. So here it will be 21 and this will be 3. Okay, now 21 in 3's table, that is 7. That is 7. Okay, so 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 3s are 63. 63 into 3, 189. And 189 into 2 equal to 378. Okay. So in this way you have to do exercise 8D. By this your chapter 8 is over. Okay students, practice the remaining one. Copy notes I will provide you. And the points which we have underlined, go through it, read through it and keep it in mind. They are the important points. Okay, that's all for today's class. In next class we will start new chapter. Okay, take care.